Luxury holiday homes of Bollywood stars. Shah Rukh Khan. King Khan has luxurious and expensive villa in Alibag called Jannat. Just like King, Shah Rukh spends most of his vacations in Dubai. He owns a private lavish apartment villa in the Palm Jumeirah. Apart from India and Dubai, this powerful actor has an apartment in London which is worth almost 30 crore. Akshay Kumar. Adventure lover Akshay Kumar and wife Twinkle Khanna usually go for vacations whenever Akshay finishes any big budget film shooting. This couple is a beach lover, and for this reason, romantic husband Akshay bought another bungalow in a famous Mauritian beach. Akshay gifted it to his wife Twinkle. He owns a grand bungalow in the hills of Canada. Akshay also bought an entire hill in Toronto and some apartments too. Priyanka Chopra. Internationally acclaimed star Priyanka Chopra is a true nature lover, and for this reason, she usually finds her getaway nearby beaches. For this reason, Priyanka owns a holiday house in Goa. Her lavish bungalow is located at Baga Beach. After getting married to Nick Jonas, Priyanka has huge luxurious bungalow in LA too. Salman Khan. Salman Khan bought an extravagant beachside bungalow for himself on his 51st birthday on December 27, 2019. Except that Sallu Bhaiya has a 100-acre property at the Gorai beach. He is usually spotted spending time with his family and friends at his Panvel farmhouse too. Shilpa Shetty and Raj Kundra. 90s super hot heroine is now a business lady, and she owns her huge 7-bedroom apartment called Raj Mahal in Surrey. Shilpa is also the owner of a grand property in Mayfair, and another apartment is located in Oxford Street of London. This fitness enthusiast actress was also gifted an apartment in UAE, Dubai's Burj Khalifa, by husband Raj Kundra. Aamir Khan. This star has been maintaining a simple lifestyle, and for this reason he bought a property in Panchgani. It is a small hilly area located just a couple of hours away from Mumbai city. The villa is spread nearly over 2 acres, and he purchased this house from the director of Cocktail, Homi Adjania, that is worth of 7 crore. Abhishek and Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. Iconic Abhishek Aishwarya has a beautiful villa in UAE, Dubai. They visit there for holidays and vacation with their daughter Aradhya. Saif Ali Khan and Kareena Kapoor Khan. Choti Nawab Saif Ali Khan and wife Kareena Kapoor love the perfect romantic destination of Gstaad in Switzerland. This lovely couple owns a chalet in Switzerland and makes it a point to visit Gstaad every year. Sunil Shetty. Sunil Shetty owns a luxurious and big bungalow in Khandala that is located near Lonavala in Mumbai. Her wife Mana owns a big bungalow in Igatpuri in the hills of the small hill station. Sunil and Mana frequently visits the place for a perfect getaway. Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan owns 8 luxury apartments. 5 apartments are located in Mumbai and rest of them is located in Allahabad, Gurgaon and Paris. The deluxe flat in Paris is approximately worth 3 crores. John Abraham. The actor is the owner of a house in the Bel Air area in Los Angeles, USA. His neighbors are Jennifer Aniston and Angelina Jolie. Imran Hashmi. Imran Hashmi loves to spend his holidays with his family in his luxurious villa in North Goa. Malika Sherawat. Malika Sherawat frequently visits Los Angeles and has also purchased a house there. Arbaz Khan. Arbaz loves to spend their vacation in Old Goa Villan in Candolim. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.